What's up, everybody? Check out the spread. All right, y'all. What we have here today is what we're gonna call. You ready for it? Here it is. A turkey wing loaf.
Y'all see that?
Yeah.
What's up, everybody, and welcome back to T and Sharinda's TV. I'm T.
And I'm Sharinda, and welcome back to another
Bang!
Yes, yes.
Y'all can see I'm smiling, right? Y'all can see I'm smiling, right? Like, what did I do? What did I do? Like, what did I do? Bam! And I know it's gonna be good. If you are new here, welcome. You are welcome to our channel at any time, and please do not forget to hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, press that notification bell so that way we can know when you outside our door. You know what I'm saying? Ring that doorbell, let us know you out there with your plate ready. You have your plate ready every time you come to T and Sharinda's house.
Yes.
Okay?
Yes. Like Baby said, don't forget to hit that post notification bell. That way y'all will be notified when we upload a new video. All right. So I'm ready. Pray and dig into this, and I'm ready to
Y'all
try
know what
this.
I got.
Oh yeah.
No, after we pray though.
Oh, okay.
After we pray.
Okay. So
Alright.
we're about to go ahead and pray. Let's all bow our heads. Amen. Amen. Amen.
What we had today, y'all. What should I call it? I think I'll go with
It's not chicken.
yeah, who's it's but I would call it a mashed potato turkey wing loaf. There you go. If you seen the beginning, you already know what I did on the video of how I got it like looking like this. Okay, I'm so ready to yeah, a mashed potato turkey wing loaf. There you go. That's what I'm gonna call it.
Yeah.
I'm ready. I'm so ready.
I'm ready.
Take me a drink first. Go ahead. I want to see you dig in first. Oh, I got some. What is that? Honey mustard and some barbecue sauce.
Let me turn my plate around. Let y'all know what we working with over here. I see that.
Make you dig it too. I already know it's good.
Oh my God.
I already know it's good.
What you just did.
I told you, mashed potato. What did I say? Mashed potato turkey wing loaf.
But I ain't got no bit with the mashed potato. But I told Bae I would try this with her. So I got my tea, so all that won't be sticking on me. Oh my gosh.
Okay.
Oh wow.
Try with that sauce.
Yeah, that's what I'm about to try with that.
I don't want the lamb. You know y'all. Got some barbecue sauce.
Try some
Y'all
honey.
wanna taste?
Try
Oh,
some honey mustard.
my bad, y'all. Oh yeah. Come on.
You be coming up with some stuff.
Oh my god.
My gosh, I don't even need no knife. This is what is this is a turkey. What turkey leg?
Turkey wing.
Turkey wing. Oh wow. Oh.
Try with that. You know what? Let me try this.
Now y'all copy this. Y'all just went there. Oh God, that's good.
I want them to copy. That would be nice.
If anybody could try this, just make sure y'all tag us in. You're good with the salad too. But anyway, how y'all been? I know we a little late doing the video. We've been busy moving around and we back at home. Oh God, this is so good.
I can't believe that. I mean, well, yeah, you got honey mustard running all over your thing. Can you see that? Take that way, where they can see that way you can cook.
Yeah, y'all see that? Wow. This the bomb. Ain't never in my life had nothing like this.
Oh, wow.
Joke good. What makes you came up with this
I
idea?
don't know.
Don't add. Boy. A little salad on the side. I like how you got the salad and stuff.
Oh my God.
Ooh, boy, this is good. That joke was good, man. Oh boy. But if y'all try this, let us know. Let us know how it
I
came
can
out.
guide you.
Yeah. Just the expert. I got some on my face.
If you do, it's all right.
Don't be lying to me after I get done editing it, you know, doing my little editing and stuff. I do most. She'll do the cooking, most of the cooking, but I do the
Look at that there.
editing and stuff, y'all. But
Look
I
at
do most of the cooking too.
Look at that. Mashed potato, cheese, and all that. I snatched that back quick, didn't you? When people go, yo, I don't eat turkey. I bet you eat this. It ain't dry or nothing.
Not at all.
Oh, yeah.
That's real good.
Yeah, I'm telling y'all. Wow.
And good with that honey mustard and that barbecue sauce, baby.
No, not the baby.
Yeah. Yes, indeed. Ooh.
I was gonna try to pick it up and eat it, but that joke was too heavy.
Yeah. See that? That's the mashed potato. Dang. Got me tongue tied over here. The mashed potato, the turkey, everything that y'all will see the video, the first beginning of the video. I'm gonna have to double up on my tea, cause I want another one of these.
And I can eat it. I can actually eat it. I probably will eat 2 of them. Wow. I'm glad you did. You're gonna have to. You got some work to do.
Yeah.
I'm sorry. But I'm glad you're doing it with me though.
I'm good. And what this is, you can sell these jokers at the fair.
Yeah, that's it. Fair been gone.
I know, but talking about if it wasn't this virus and stuff going on, you could have it all. You could have your you could have it all the way made. Only thing you gotta do is just drop it in the hot grease.
I know how to do it where they could just pick it up and eat it too, but these were just too. I loaded them jokers up. I had to make a loaf out of it.
Wow.
It's potatoes and cheese. Kids love that. You can't get them children to eat no turkey on Thanksgiving. I guarantee you they eat that. I bet you they eat it. Oh, wow. I did it again.
You sure did. I ain't never in my life.
Well, I mean, you.
Man, this good. I ain't gonna lie.
Thanks, man.
Who did that? People keep telling us we need to go and open a restaurant. All this cooking, much cooking we be doing, giving out tips. We got neighbors be coming to us, asking us how to cook this, how to cook that. Or somebody just come and ask us, can we do this for them? Like certain stuff, like wings and stuff, and greens, and all kinds of different variety stuff.
Let me tell y'all this, though. To me, it might not be the baby. The honey mustard kind of overpowering what I want to enjoy. But the barbecue sauce is hitting with this.
I don't know, but I like the honey mustard.
You know what I'm saying? You like the honey mustard? I like the barbecue sauce. It's too strong.
Strong. But it's good, though.
It's good, but... Ooh.
I don't know, everybody got different taste buds.
Y'all, and I just about ate my whole plate. Just saying. You know it got to be.
Ain't nothing left.
Oh my God. Hold it up so they can see it. Let me go.
Ain't nothing left, y'all.
Ain't nothing left. Go ahead and kill it then. Whatever you got, you already know. I'm gonna have to cut this short.
Yeah, we don't want to make this video too long. We enjoy y'all coming through. This is what Betty had hooked up tonight.
Like I said, please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you like it. We'll see you guys.
Yeah, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Like Betty said, give this video a thumbs up. But we will see y'all